Yo, yo, yo. Should be able to hear me now. Should be able to hear me now. Yo, yo, yo. Let me know if you can hear me. Yo, yo, yo. Let me know if you can hear me. Should be live. Should be able to see the charts as well. Yo, yo, yo. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Yo, yo, yo. I was just playing around a little bit with the transition as well. But yeah, with the OBS thing, I forgot to bloody change episode 2 to episode 3. So when I'm like done the transition to like the starting screen, it still says episode 2, but this is episode 3. But yeah, let me know if you can hear me, guys, in the chat. Would be appreciated. Yo, yo, yo. Should be tested. I've just tested on my phone, so it should be okay. But yeah, this is the 3rd episode of the Silver Bullet Funded. Just using the ICT Silver Bullet. Only between 10 AM and 11 AM. 1 trade per day, just to see if we can get a Pass A Funded challenge. So let me just get the rules up. 1 moment. Got it here somewhere. Yo, yo, yo. How you doing, Luke, man? Hope you're well. Hope you're well. Should be here. Let's paste it. Sweet. I don't know how delayed it is, but hopefully it's not too delayed. But we shall see. We shall see. So, in a minute, I'm just going to go through what I saw this morning. So, price on the hourly for Euro ran into this bearish order block here. So, these 2 green candles. You can either draw it from the high to the low, or from just the bodies. I've just drawn it to the bodies. And have a look at the mean threshold, which is the midpoint of this bearish order block. Look how price is respecting this here. And what do we see? So we see 1, 2, 3 drives to the high. 3 drives to the high. Drop down lower to displacement. Taking out these lows, market structure shift. Pulls back into fair value gap. Yeah. Bearish order block. Find the mean threshold of this bearish order block, which would be this white line. Price doesn't close above it, which is okay, which is fine, and then drops lower. Where are we targeting? So we look on the 15, or we look on the hour, sorry, first. So price, there's not really any inefficiency here on the hour, apart from down here. There'd be that sell side liquidity. So we go down on the 30, same thing again, nothing. 15, you see this BISTY here. So that's why I just drew that across. That'd be the first draw on liquidity for me. There's that sell side there as well. And yeah, if this becomes an inversion fair value gap, then we could potentially head into these lows down here. What's up, bro? What's up? How you doing at Black Owl? How you doing, chickens, man? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Nice, bro. I'm glad you got that trade. Sick. Nice. How you doing, Chaz? Hope you're well. Hope you're well. I'm feeling a little bit better, but still a bit of a blocked nose and stuff like that, so you can probably hear it in my voice. But yeah, feeling better. Went to the gym today, so that's a positive for me. Did a 2K run, and then did chest and triceps today. With a blocked nose and stuff, but you know, didn't go gym yesterday, wasn't feeling too good. So that was my rest day yesterday. But for the, what was it called? The 7 AM silver bullet, potentially could have been here, around here. So this fair value gap here. Because the fair value gap doesn't need to be in between the certain time frames, it just has to be the entry. So fair value gap here, 7 AM entry, stops. Where'd you put stops? Could put your stops above the high, or again, with this mean threshold, could put it above there. So yeah. It would be bullish with this fair value gap hit here, you mean? Well, not bullish straight away. There's sell side down here. If the price starts bouncing from this, then potentially, but you don't want to just buy it straight away. So you just got to be careful. This could potentially become an inversion fair value gap, and there's sell side down here. We're looking on the 15. Price ran these highs back into the bearish order block. It's pulled back lower, market structure shift. So next draw liquidity would be here to take out people who've gone long from this move here, and then down here as well, so people who've gone long. So yeah, so that would just be for that fair value gap. I'll just take profits there, some partials, leave probably 30% running, I'd say, or 20%, depending on how well you got your entry and where your stop is and stuff like that. But if this becomes an inversion fair value gap, starts trading lower, then we are heading down there. I was looking at the shorts from up here, but this little bissy here, that was the only reason why I didn't get in. So we saw it bounce above this, and then I wanted this to become an inversion fair value gap. We look on the 5, broke lower, broke above, then it broke lower here, fair value gap, just a little bit choppy. Just wanted to run one more highs for this buy side here, and then pulled lower. Not really too much on the 5 minute, just a little bit choppy. Haven't looked at the 2. 2 again, just a little bit choppy here. Just equal highs like on the 5, runs it before pulling lower. There's a fair value gap there. But yeah, just still a bit sloppy price action for Wednesday. So yeah, how are you guys? I hope you're all well. Hope you're having a safe trading week. Mine's been quite quiet, not gonna lie. Quiet January so far. CPR tomorrow, so that should be some fireworks. That blue zone is a bearish hourly order block. So here, these two bullish candles, up close candles, that's a bearish order block. So pulls into the mean threshold, and then yeah, you can base your trades around there. Yo, what's up, Moromo? How you doing, man? Yeah, chickens is, I'll say yeah, it's pretty much sloppy because of CPI. CPI is such a big news event. It will be very choppy. Same with NFP. NFP again makes the market really choppy until NFP comes out. So such a major news event. So but yeah, just going to see if the silver bullet appears at 10 AM to 11 AM. Again, like I said, the other previous 2 episodes, the worst thing to do is force a trade. So this could be, it's going to be a slow series, but hopefully once the market starts picking up, we get some trades in. But yeah, again, this is not financial advice as well, so I don't want you guys using your own money to copy my trades, because I could be wrong twice and then win 1, be wrong, win 1, win 3. So, and then if you just put in all your money in that lost trade, then you lost all your money. So yeah, it's all about risk as well. And hopefully this series is going to show you guys, if you stay consistent, just use the exact same risk every time, and if you've got an edge against the market, it will play out in the future, in the long run. So that's why I'm just going to document it for you guys. But yeah, feel free to follow the Discord as well. I'm going to post like the results in there. Let me get the link for it if you guys want to join the Discord. I know most of you guys are already in the Discord anyway. But yeah, it is there. Feel free to join the Discord, guys. And I'll post updates, analysis, stuff like that, and updates on how the account is going. How confident am I about the series going to be win? Pretty confident. Just don't know how long it's going to take. Just doing the exact silver bullet each time. But yeah, it's definitely going to be different for me normal trading because obviously it's live in front of people. But you know, we'll see. I'm fine with a few viewers talking to you guys. So hopefully it just stays around like 5 to 10 viewers is all good for me. But yeah, EU looks bearish. What do you think? Yeah, at the minute, I mean, if you actually look on the 4 hour, it's just going sideways. So it's been really choppy. So that's why it's a good thing to just, if you're entering on a short term basis, take your profits quickly and move stops to break even, because the market could easily reverse on you. Yeah. Emily, what's your problem, bro? You good? Do you enter on the 1 minute? Yes, I enter 1 minute or 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Between them, 5 is probably the highest I'll go. You're in a short on dollar Swiss? Nice, bro. Hopefully it works out for you. Hopefully that works out for you, bro. But yeah, next draw liquidity down here. Nothing else on the 5, so we look on the 1. It is slowly becoming an inversion fair value up here. So we shall see. We shall see, we shall see. If we're looking for this draw liquidity down here, and this is the run, then draw from the high, from the push to the draw liquidity. And that's how you find your premium and discount. So we should only be able to sell in this premium, and anywhere in the discount is oversold. So it just means that there's a lower probability of this working out than price trading up here. So yeah, let me take a look at DXY, the dollar index. This is the daily opening gap, I'm pretty sure. Let me just make sure it is. Oh no, it's not. This is an hourly fair value gap. Okay, this is just the hourly fair value gap. Daily opening gap was there. What was the previous daily opening gap? Pretty sure I did mark it out this morning. I'm not sure where it's gone. But yeah, dollars bounce off this hourly BISI here. So we're heading towards this buy side here. So that means euro will be looking for shorts. Look on the 15. Not really any inefficiency here. There's that one here. If I draw this across. We can see price respected it, broke above, retested as inversion, heading higher. So the next draw would be here for now. So on the 5, that's what it looks like. It rejects it, breaks above, retests it nicely to run above. So don't think there is any news either today. I did check. Nothing stood in my mind. No, nothing. Governor Bailey speaks today. That has already happened, and that was pound, so not too much to go on about that. But yeah, I hope you guys are well so far. Hope you guys are having a good training week. So yeah, 7 minutes till 10 AM. Look here, this is the hourly BISI. Look how the consequent encouragement respects it there. So it respects it there. Once it breaks above, it starts trending above that there. So this confluence here, it's just showing that price wants to go up. So there's buy side there, that inefficiency as well. So at the minute, the next draw will be here. But again, just remember what I usually do anyway. From the run, so this is basically from the run here. You can either draw it here or here. So that's the draw liquidity. So anywhere around here is a discount. Anywhere above here is premium. So it's overbought, sorry. And the probability of it running over there, if you want to buy, would just be lower than buying down here. So yeah. If that makes sense to you guys, let me know. Let me know. And if I talk too fast, let me know as well. So yeah, I'm funded with FTMO. Just take a look at here. Bearish order block. No, they're just red. We want to see this act as an inversion, so daily opening gap. No, I use it for draw liquidity, so that's what I use it for, bro. If price is trending, it would fall away from the weekly opening gap, so not the daily opening gap. So the weekly opening gap, if dollar wants to run away like bullish, it would start running away from it. If it's going sideways, consolidate for the week, then it would just keep returning to the weekly opening gap. So you could just use that for draw liquidity. So like we did yesterday, we used the daily opening gap. It broke above it, and then so we sort of had the market showed its hand that it wants to run for the buy side. FTMO is accepting US clients today. Yeah, I haven't seen that, but that's crazy if that is true. They haven't emailed me or anything about that, but I guess I'm not in the US anyway. But yeah, that's crazy. Maybe I don't know why, but that's a lot of people that they could be making money from. So I like the fact that the inversion fair value gap, the consequent encouragement here, if you could just sort of picture in your mind, isn't closing above that, so it's a good sign at the minute. I could just draw it on for you guys as well. Sweet, bro. Yeah, send it. I'll check it out after the stream. That is interesting though. Yeah, sorry guys if I'm coughing or sniffing. I got ill over the weekend and haven't got over it fully yet. So nearly over it though. I feel a lot better today. So let's check out this candle here. Let's get the consequent encouragement of that candle, which matches up the high of the inversion. It would be like a good sign that we don't see it close above that white line here. So let me just delete this middle one. Just keep an eye on this at the moment. These are things that I'm looking at when if I was short from here and figuring out whether I can hold the position or not. These things would just indicate to me that to keep holding or should I close. But yeah, let me know where you guys are from. And stuff like that. I'd be interested to know a bit more about you guys as well. And yeah, I've sent the link for Discord if you guys want to join Discord. We'll be going live most days. And yeah, hopefully the market does start picking up. But if we actually look at the higher time frame, I mean, look how just sideways it's been going here. So pretty sure that's NFP, just been ranging from the low to the high. Literally just been ranging in that midpoint, so pretty disgusting at the minute. So this is where a lot of traders would lose money because they'd be forcing trades and it'd just chop you up. So best thing to do is just sit on your hands and take read. Nice, bro. Nice. I'll check it out on Discord after. But yeah, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, 5 to 6 days, EU's been going sideways. And for this challenge, the silver bullet challenge, we are just wanting to trade euro. So so we've got 40 seconds left. Let's see if it closes above this consequent encouragement and also above the order block. Then potentially we can start seeing some retracement back, maybe between this bar side here or that bar side here. But that's why it's important to make sure you take profits. So even on the 15, it looks like price is nice at the minute, bouncing off here. So yeah, hopefully the what's it called, the audio is all good, all nice and crisp. So potentially, if we're looking for shorts, I would definitely only be trading shorts if price is below this inversion fair value gap. So if price maybe takes the high, pulls lower, gets into the fair value gap here, then we can target that shorts. But other than that, there's no point in looking for shorts at the moment. Doesn't mean that you'd be looking for longs either. But yeah. Let's move you over here. This big pink box is a daily, that's daily SIBI. Over here, price couldn't even reach to the consequent encouragement of that, so it shows that it's a bit bearish. So we're looking for bears on the higher time frame. Then next thing will be that sell side down here. Market structure shift on what time frame, bro? Move back over here. Market structure shift from here. It could be. It is a structure shift, but it's not. It's just a mini market structure shift. So it could just be wanting to reach for just liquidity down here, up here. Sorry. On the one, same thing. Market structure shift, but it could just be wanting to reach this here and that inefficiency to here. So yeah, sometimes I get caught out. You wanna see the market show its hand to you first. So like if this broke down into this inversion fair value gap, it would show its hand that it wants to go down here. Then I'm looking for like a fair value gap. But like here, if it just makes a fair value gap, it could just be pulling back into like this bearish order block here, or just wanted to run that and then it just continue lower. Yeah, if that makes any sense, guys. Just a good look at DXY. I'm looking at this inefficiency here. Draw that across. I respect that quite nicely here. But nothing that catches my eye just yet. Remove this now. The hard thing is I was just on the higher time frames. There is not much bias. It's just been going sideways. So definitely going to be scalping and just short-term trading for now until we see where dollar wants to actually run to on the higher time frame. Price just filled hourly SIBI. Is that on the dollar or the euro? Wait for a shift with displacement. Nice. Oh shit, forgot to actually log into the actual account as well. I keep forgetting that. One moment. Right, that's done. Because it's actually on the computer, it's not on my phone. And then just do like that. That'll do. Right. Yeah, literally, prices just. I'm pretty sure just prices are waiting for the CPI. So the best thing to do is sit on your hands until then. Just because once the market once it starts running, you can start seeing where people's stops are as well, and it's a lot easier to target. So here's quite nice. There's run or stop here, breaks above. So low, high, low, low, high, high, bullish breaker, fair value gap, 15-minute BISI. So the only thing that I don't like about that is just because it's ran on. If you look on the hour, it's ran into this bearish order block, pulled down. So there's nothing really on the hourly apart from on the 15 this. But potentially price just does want to run down there. I'm not trading CPI, no. Trade after the news, definitely. I do like the fact that it is bouncing off this 15-minute BISI. Just going to take a look at the dollar. Dollar as well looks quite nice there. Yo, how you doing, Charlie? Is that euro or dollar on the 4 hour? Where is that? Let me just make sure that's there. Sorry guys, sometimes I'm just going to concentrate just to see. So sometimes I might not be doing that as much talking. This could have been a runaway here. I did like the fact that it was bouncing off this BISI. And dollar, this 15-minute CIBI here, if you draw that across, it has rejected it nicely. But yeah, we see, just can see how it starts respecting the bearish PDRAs. I like the fact that it came across here. Just want to see how it respects this fair value gap. Does it get anywhere close to the consequent encouragement? And if we're looking for liquidity up here, then we've got to keep in mind that anywhere below we need to be buying. So anywhere below here. Nice, bro, nice. No, not looking for sales. You're looking for the run on liquidity now. It just means you can't buy, and it just means that the probability of you buying up here is just less than you want to be buying in the discount. So yeah, so I'll probably first take profit would be when price potentially gets down here to the high of this hourly BISI. Let's look on Euro again. Here as well. So let me just remove this now. And this. I've just seen it now. This here, where it was a SIBI, respected it nicely, pulled lower, pulled above, and now acted as an inversion fair value gap as well, which was on top of the that 15-minute BISI. And also lower low, higher high, so bullish breaker. So that would be a nice trade here to target. I'd say this high and these highs up here. So we just missed that for now. But it's be a nice trade. If you got in there, it'd be a nice trade to run up these highs. So yeah, we just want to make sure it starts suspecting. So I'll just be tape reading it for you guys now. Look at the dollar. Potential sell side here. So potential partials. Here. Want to see that become an inversion. So I don't want to see this get respected here. So I want to see it close above this now. I don't want to see it start slowing down here. I want to see it just not respect it at all. Even though the past two candles it has respected it, so the next couple candles I want to see it start breaking above. It might not, because one, on the high time range, has been going sideways, so there's not really a bias for me. So that's why once you're in the trade, you gotta just make sure that you take your partials or profits quite early, because it could just reverse on you really easily. So if you went long from down here, partials would be there, and then potential second partials here, and just see if it becomes an inversion fair value gap, more partials, and then final profit here, for me. Just keep an eye on this little inefficiency as well. Let's look on the 5. That teeny little inefficiency here, giving that a bit of support. Let's have a look at dollar. Dollar still got to take that sell side here. So I had that inefficiency here. Well, let's see if it respects it now as an inversion. So my inversion fair value gaps are orange. The BISI, the bullish fair value gap, is blue, and then the SIBI is red for me. So anywhere that I draw the orange, it just means that I want it to become an inversion fair value gap. So dollar probably taking that low. Oh, not just yet. Yo, Jan Van, how you doing, man? Hope you're well, hope you're well. We missed this trade down here. That's probably because my bias is just still 50-50 at the moment on the higher time frame. So I'm not clearly looking for just one-sided market. No, we just missed, or some people got this, but I just missed this here. For a run on these stops here. To the buy side. But yeah, we just take reading it now. Institutional order for entry drill here. This here becomes an inversion. So let's just see if it wants to run, take out this high. For dollar, there's still that sell side here. Equal lows here as well, so that's just been taken. There. So relatively equal lows. So just make sure you do take some profit. So the next draw will be here. Yeah, man, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Got sick over the weekend, but you know, I'm feeling a little bit better. Feeling a little bit better. You might be able to hear my voice that I'm a bit like blocked up in my nose and stuff, but yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Hope the audio is good for you guys as well. I'm literally just using my computer mic. I was using the AirPods, but it just didn't seem to have the best audio when I was just replayed back the video. But yeah, let's have a look at this wick here. The consequent encouragement of that. Let's see if it respects it or not. At the moment it isn't, but you got 2 seconds left. No, it don't seem like it did. So that just indicates it's not as bullish as it wants. So it may just take out that. It might not even want to run for that. But if it did just close above, then it could have just ran there. Then yeah, nice. Glad the audio is good, bro. I want to start seeing this, the midpoint, consequent encouragement, get respected now. Don't really want to see price closing below this anymore. That little fair value gap here, inefficiency. See that? Price has just tapped into that there. But yeah, I don't want to see price close above, below the consequent encouragement of that inversion fair value gap now. Is it going to run the buy side? Sell side there. Yeah, this is episode 3 of the Silver Bullets Funded. We just missed this lower here, if everyone new just watching. But yeah, just missed that. Mostly because I was still 50-50 on my bias, so just if I was one-sided on the market, if I was fully bullish, then I would have got into that. But market on the 4 hours has been going sideways anyway, so just got to be careful. Yeah, took out liquidity, just a little bit. I wanted to see a little bit more, potentially even just run back into that bearish order block. No, not yet, bro. Because it still could just run higher. Dollar's still got sell side to run to as well. Down here, so. But it's definitely a good place to take profit here. Is that what you meant? If that's what you meant, if you meant just sell as in like go short, I would wait. But if you take partials, definitely once buy side has been taken here. If that's what you meant, bro. No, I wouldn't sell if it goes below there. It's just potentially going to retrace back now into this inefficiency here. If you look on the 5, little inversion, little fair value gap there. That price may want to just retrace back to before going higher. But I'll definitely, if you meant take profits, I'll definitely take profits, some profits there, and then the next draw would be here. So yeah, if we take a look at the higher time frame on the 4 hour, just look how choppy that has been. So on the blue box, you talk about here to enter long. No, I wouldn't enter long there. Just because it's already introduced order flow, entry drill here, so it tapped into it, got the buyers there, and it ran this buy side. So liquidity has been swept. So it may want to just pull back down to inefficiency to fill this market here, but it doesn't mean it's a buy. I'll just wait for what price wants to do next. But yeah, any of you new guys have just joined the stream, we just missed this silver bullet here for our account. Let me just drill those over here. Just missed this little trade to run this buy side here. That was introduced order flow entry drill here, and that would have been a nice entry as well if we draw from the low to the high. Actually, no, it wouldn't have been. It's not even in the discount there. But if you drew from that push there, then it would have been. Price reject of 4 hour fair value gap, which gave me my bullish bias on EU. There, yeah, nice. I mean, if you just look at it a little bit like that, it is very choppy. But yeah, for me, is that 15-minute here. Yeah, literally, honestly, the best thing to do is just sit on your hands when it's just going sideways like that. A lot of people would be losing money and getting frustrated. Best thing to do is just literally just wait till, I'd probably say CPI and next week, and hopefully the market sorts itself back out. The other one on Friday, let me have a look. Is it the one here? Yeah. If you just let's have a look at the consequent encouragement in the midpoint. Look on the 15. 4 hour. It would have been nice if price did end up getting to that midpoint to the T. That would have been nice. But yeah, it did tap into this bullish order block here on the 5. Let's get the midpoint, mean threshold. So mean threshold of that pretty much taps that to the T there of this bullish order block there. So that'd have been nice to spot there. But yeah, that bullish order block here. So it ran a little bit lower than this, than the fair value gap into that bullish order block, and then just wanted to run that buy side here. So that'd have been nice. Let's have a look at dollar. Dollar's respecting this fair value gap here. Hasn't swept this sell side, but it has swept these equal lows here. So let's see if it wants to keep going lower. And then after that, it'd probably be this draw liquidity here, or the hourly top of that BISI. This inversion fair value gap's acting nicely as well. Look at the way price went to that, the midpoint of that, consequent encouragement, the bodies didn't close below it at all yet. So that's a nice indication as well. Yeah, that 5-minute order block. I just spotted it then. I did look at it, but then I didn't forget about it. But I just didn't notice it as I was watching price just then. But I did keep my eye on it beforehand. But mostly it was this fair value gap here. Then price just dipped down a little bit lower to the mean threshold of the order block before then wanted to run buy side. So yeah, buy side just been taken here as well. So next would be here. Dollar just taking this sell side. So next would be, I'll just say the high, and then if you want to dip down a little bit lower, that sell side down here. Just going to remove this blue box just to make it a little bit neater. So look how the fact that the this SIBI rejected from there, broke above, acted as a nice inversion fair value gap to then just run again for that buy side. Just been touched, like swept a little bit. I want to see a little bit more of a push. So next will be that buy side here. Taking out all the people who just sold from this price action down here. So dollars just got to the hourly BISI. If I zoom out a little bit, this BISI here just got to the high of that. So that would have been another draw liquidity. There's a little bit of volume imbalance here. So that could be another one. So just keep an eye on that on the dollar. But yeah, that would have been a really nice trade. From there, from that 5-minute order block, mean threshold, taps that to the T. Then runs stops there. So it made a lower low, higher high, bullish breaker inside that fair value gap. There's also an inversion fair value gap. Nice. So yeah, that would have been a nice trade. Charlie, did you still hold that? Or did you take partials or chickens? You said you took that on the demo as well. So next would be the outside there have been taken, midpoint, and then also this equal lows down here. Nice, bro, nice. I'll definitely take partials though. Definitely take some partials. Yeah, that's all good as well, chickens, man. Nothing really on the 5 for an entry. Nah, bro. Trust me. Just keep doing demo. Keep doing demo until you get confident in. Just so used to trading that then once you're on a real account, it doesn't. You're sort of like subconscious and you don't even think about it. You just do it. Do the exact same thing you've been doing on demo, and then you just do it on the funded or real money. But just make sure that you've just been doing demo trading for a long time, and that the trading should be like just boring for you, like a routine, like you do it every single day. As long as you make sure you journal as well, journal that trade, and yeah, it was a nice trade. Look on the hourly. It'd be potential consequent cards from that wick. Look at there. Could be another. If you're still holding it, another way to take partials there. Yeah, bro, I'll go over it. So, price was trading lower here. So it took out high there, broke lower, fair value gap, started trading lower. If we look on the 5 minute, and price is trading down lower, I was trying to find where there's the draw liquidity, where inefficiency is. So I saw, the only way I saw was these equal lows, fair value gap here, so BISI, and this order block. So I drew this across here. So if I was short, this would definitely be a place to take partials here. And then price ran to this this order block. And if you get the mean threshold, which is the midpoint of the order block, pretty sure price does touch it to the T. Unless this is like a bit away. But yeah, price does run to the mean threshold here. It pulls up here, and then one more time takes stops, and then runs. So that's displacement here. There's a bullish breaker, this blue candle, up candle, sorry. Then it taps into the bullish breaker. This here is an inverted fair value gap, and also that 15-minute BISI. So it taps into it and pulls away. So institutional order flow entry drill, and that bullish breaker, and then once more taps into that. And then how I knew is on the right side of the market with this inversion fair value gap here, breaks lower. The consequent encouragement of that, it doesn't even close below it, closes literally on the T of that, which is really nice. So it just keeps running for that. If that makes sense, let me know, guys. But yeah, that was a nice trade for today. Goes to DXY note inversion fair value gap from 315 on 50-minute time frame, expand it. I already got that one anyway here. But 315, let's have a look. That one there. Yeah, that's nice as well. But yeah, 315. Yeah, that's just a civvy there. Nice Charlie, bro. But yeah, that's where I spotted that there. So so look at the way price is reacting to the hourly consequent encouragement here. So that's just another way to take profit. So really nice. So where I got that from was this long wick. Got the midpoint of that. So it's just another place to take profit. Nasdaq silver bullet short to London lows was clean. Let's have a look. So these are the lows, I'm guessing. What time frame, bro? Mustafa. We're just looking at the one. London low here. Yeah, 10 AM. Fair value gap. Nice. There's also this one as well, you can see. Low, high, low, low, high, high. Bullish breaker. Fair value gap, so a silver bullet for buy side up here. So you can go both ways there for Nasdaq. So you could have shorted it, took profit, bought it, so for target up here. So both ways there on Nasdaq. So that was nice, clean. So next draw for Euro. A bit would be that buy side here. But yeah, it's going to be interesting for tomorrow with CPI. So hopefully it does make the market break out of its range for dollar, and then we can finally get a bias, because this has definitely just been chopping around for the whole week, or basically the whole of January. I mean, it had that down close candle here. But if we draw this across, then it's also still playing in this SIBI here. So yeah, definitely going to be interesting for tomorrow for CPI. Buy side liquidity looks like it's going to get taken as well. Back into the that SIBI low. So well, are you funded? Yeah, I'm FTMO funded, and this new series that I'm doing is just a challenge, just like a funded challenge. I'm going to see if I can just use the silver bullet to get funded on just a different account, just by risking 1% per trade, one trade per day, using the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. silver bullet. But again, like I just stated before, the worst thing to do for me is just to force trades, just because there's an audience. So yeah. What reactions are you expecting after taking the buy side? Reaction, they could, once take buy side, could just slow down, potential pullback into this inefficiency down here. If you draw from the low to the high, or wherever it starts pulling down, then it wants to pull back into an equilibrium or discount. But yeah. Target here on Nasdaq. Yeah, nice. So next one would be here. Then I'd like that to be an inversion for it to then run that buy side. That's what I look for next. Yeah, that's really nice here. So that's something I would like to look for Euro, which probably literally just happened today. But it's just, I was just, with my bias, I was just still 50-50, so. So buy side up here and back into the daily SIBI would be the next draw. Probably not, bro. Not add another pair. Euro, once Euro's like Euro could be going sideways for like a week, but then the week after that could just be trading really well. So Euro will be fine for silver bullet. So yeah, look at the reaction on the low of the daily civi to the T of that. So that's why it's good to just always have the higher time frames added in to your lower time frames. See dollar. Next draw for dollar will be this sell side down here, and after that sell side and back into the daily opening gap. Yeah, euro sometimes is choppy between 10 and 11, but it's also nice. Sometimes it's nice. It just happens. You have to just be on the day. Like GU could be have a really nice setup for silver bullet and EU not, and then it'd be like EU really nice or Nasdaq really nice. But yeah, definitely futures does seem to have really nice, like especially Nasdaq or S&P, have really nice silver bullets, but there still are some on euro. And that's the one I'm just trading with the funded account as well. It'd just be, what would it be, the US 100, and it's just, I'd rather just trade the actual contracts. If there's like the funded account you can do on trading view, that'd be a lot better. But it's not, unfortunately. So just keep an eye on this. I would say here, let's go look on the 30. Potentially wants to pull back into this. So price has been respecting this. If it does pull back lower and this adds a support, then we could be looking for it to retrend higher. Have you watched the ICT new videos yet? Which ones? The charter videos? Or his like slightly older ones but new ones, like this 2023 and stuff. I've seen every single one, just apart from the charter videos now, because I don't really want to just. I've sort of learned enough now, so I'm just on my own journey, and don't want to just learn new stuff and just get confused, and if that makes sense. Yeah, literally, Top Step's the only one to do it. But yeah, I don't know if we could add Top Step onto the training view, because that'd be amazing if you can. Yeah. Oh no, I haven't looked at the live execution. No, not today. Literally just now, or I'll check it out after the stream. But yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the content so far. Episode 3. It's like tape reading as well as Silver Bullet and taking the trade, so and get to interact with you guys, so it's good. Hope you guys are enjoying it. And I love it when you guys interact as well. Yeah, no, I haven't seen that video, bro. But yeah, definitely the euro was a nice trade today. So entered at 9.25 on the 15-minute chart. Bro, that guy's a demon, man. He's so good. Let's have a look. Here, I'm guessing. 9.25. there. I don't know, 914. There maybe, 928. That'd be crazy if you got in there. Fair value gap, order block to run that bias. Nice. On the search. Oh yeah, must have been. Unless if you got in exactly 925, then it'd be there. But if you got into that fair value gap there and the order block, it'd be 928. But yeah, beautiful trade. That's what trades you want to be in. Low resistance liquidity runs straight to the buy side. Yeah, sounds like a great trade. I'll check it out after. But yeah, I think there probably won't be another silver bullet setup now. So yeah. Now it's that nice price run. So yeah, it'd be interesting what CPI is going to come out tomorrow, where the market's going to go. If we look at the higher time frame, for me, if price closes above this fair value gap here, the consequent encouragement, then we could be heading a little bit higher into this inefficiency here. But if it starts rejecting even more and it pulls lower, then we could pull into this inefficiency down here. Nice, bro. Good luck with the funded account. Beautiful, nice, nice. Yeah, literally just stay consistent, bro. It's just like do the exact same things, as long as you don't say you take like one trade a day, or if you lose a trade, you're done. Just don't break your rules, and you should be fine. Okay, yeah. So 3 silver bullets a day, yeah. As long as you don't break them rules, you'll be good. And as long as and you just have like a positive outcome. As long as you got an edge against the market, which the silver bullet could be like your patience or just certain entry and stuff like that, then you should come out in the profit. Look at this as well. I've just seen this now. This is crazy. So the trade that we just spotted. Let's go on the here. The trade that we just spotted here. On the one. So this here. This also mixed with the daily CB. So let me just draw that across. Delete this. Delete this for now. So this CB here. We get the consequent encouragement of it. Look how price respects that there. So that if I saw that, I would have 100% entered there. That was really nice. So it respects the consequent encouragement of that, and also those things added for it to run higher. So that was really nice. Beautiful trade. So that's something to document, to journal. Yeah, that's the worst thing. That's the thing that traders just struggle with, is just breaking the rules. If you just stick to your rules, pretty much most traders who know how to trade will be all good. Weekly on EU, let's have a look, guys. You've been in the EU for 4 days. What? You've been in the trade for 4 days, or you just waiting for the breakout? On the weekend, I see that Bissy here. It's a nice Bissy. Runs across higher. Order block here. Mean threshold. Doesn't even come down to the mean threshold. Draw from here to here. Still doesn't come to the mean threshold, so it's all good. Check the consequent encouragement of that. Just misses that as well. But yeah, if it wants to go higher, then draw liquidity. Just keep an eye on that. Consequently, control this, and then also the CB again as well. But yeah, like I said again, the CPI is going to be interesting for tomorrow. Depends what type of trader you are, bro. Like you could be a swing trader. So you could be a swing trader. You could be in trade for like a week, 2 weeks, a month, or like a position trader. It'd be like a month. But if you're an intraday or like a day trader, then you could be in a day trade for like a day or 2 days. Or if you're like just a scalper, you could be in a trade for like an hour. There's multiple different trades. Yeah, I just started new now. Live trading, the silver bullet. This is episode 3. So feel free to follow the Discord. Let me add it in again. I think that should work. Feel free to follow that, and then I'll update you guys when I'm going live. But yeah, obviously sometimes I'm not going to be able to make the live, so. Yeah, I'm from the UK. Let me send my Twitter as well, or the X, so you guys can also follow updates from there. I mean, you don't have to follow anything, or but yeah. But on the Discord as well, I'll post like analysis and stuff like that, like weekly analysis and where I think price is going to and stuff. So note the 1.09803. Let's have a look. 1.09803. $8.03 there, just above that bar sign, I'm guessing. Nasdaq slowly training around that inefficiency here. If that becomes an inversion fair value gap, then it will be heading up to these highs. First draw will be there. But yeah, even you can just draw it from here as well for an inversion. So, and that looks even nicer. So the way price, so pulled lower, broke above, inversion fair value gap. Here it's supporting. So yeah, probably just gonna. This was a nice run from here. Now it could be just going sideways, training around for the rest of the day. But yeah, guys, leave a like if you do like the content that I'm doing. So I can have, and if you just leave some feedback as well, that'd be good. Feel free to just DM me if you've got any feedback, or just leave in Discord, stuff like that. And hopefully I'll get better with, like feel better, because my nose, I could just hear myself. I don't sound 100% like in my nose. Sound like I just got a blocked nose. But yeah, hopefully it should be all good. Nice. Yeah, I don't trade the PM. Otherwise I'll be trading for like 10 hours. I'll give myself a break. Give myself a rest, go gym, go golf, play a bit of football, reset, ready for the next day. Oh, I'm glad, bro. I'm glad. Yeah, hopefully you learn as well, like just learn from the analysis. Hopefully my charts are quite neat. And yeah. I will see you tomorrow as well. There'll be CPI, so definitely CPI is 130. So if you guys want me to live stream a little bit earlier, let me know. We can maybe just watch CPI together. But yeah, let you guys know. But there's quite a lot of you guys in here today. There's like 10 or 11 like constant. All you do is trade places. I'm not sure what that means, bro. Places. Yes, that is the life. Football and cricket, man. Trade, football, cricket. Mine is football, golf. Football, golf, and trade. Trading, football, golf. That is the life. It's good to like just proper reset your brain as well and just try not to think about trading for like an hour or so. So that's why I love football. So I don't really have time to think when I'm playing football. Think about trading. So golf a little bit. You get a little bit more time to just think about other things when you're playing golf. But football is just intense and yeah, you definitely don't have time to play. Time to think about trading. Is this around this high yet? Yeah, it has. So yeah, just keep an eye on this inefficiency here. Don't know where price is trading inside of it now. It is. It's not good. I'm too addicted to charts. Family shouting at me. Yeah. Yeah, defo. I mean, yeah, that's happened to me. I was addicted. Yeah, I was addicted just to looking at charts and stuff like that. But the best thing to do is just have like a healthy time away from the charts and just make sure you have time to go on the charts and just have time for family and just time for playing football and just doing things that you love as well. Because you don't want to get lost in the charts. What team do I support? I support the Gunners, the Arsenal. Nice, bro. Yeah, I'm glad that you come back. It's nice that you tuning in, tuning in and just interacting. It's nice. I mean, it's crazy. Like, I did live streams before, and now actually people are just sticking by. It is mad. I can't imagine how like, Chelsea, crazy result yesterday, eh? I'm sure they'll come back and smack them though at Stamford Bridge. I'm sure of it. It'll probably be Liverpool versus Chelsea in the final. Pound Kiwi worth selling? I haven't looked at that pair in a long time. Let's have a look. I would say probably not. Look on the daily. On the weekly. If you do end up trying to sell it, just have a look at that inefficiency down here. But again, there's CPI tomorrow. So there's this inefficiency here as well. So price usually tends to like run. There's buy side and inefficiency. Price usually, or like liquidity and inefficiency. Price tends to take the liquidity and run into the inefficiency. So just keep an eye on this inefficiency here, and just keep an eye on the quadrants here. So I would have on the 75, 50, 25, and see how price starts respecting it. If price doesn't close above these, then we could potentially see it pull back lower. But yeah, enjoy, bro. Take care, man. Cheers for stopping by. But yeah, if that made sense for you, O-Trade G. But yeah, I haven't looked at pound Kiwi in a long time. But yeah, next for dollar would be down here. Yeah, hopefully I should be on tomorrow as well. I'll message Discord as usual, just to let you know when I'm going live. So yeah, I'm probably going to end the stream now, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope leave a like, and yeah. Kiwi dollar. I'm looking forward to buy if falling lower. For that, just wait for CPI. I would, because if you're like a long-term trader, just see what CPI is going to do. But yeah, if you're long term, you hold it for a few days. Let's have a look. Weekly order block here. Also this BISI as well. Look on daily. Rejecting it here. Let's quickly go back, get the quadrants. So it's rejecting it quite nicely. So if it wants to go lower, I'll say target would be sell side down here. So yeah, at the minute it looks like it wants to head lower. But yeah, CPI tomorrow, so that's just big news. It'll tell you where it's going to go. And then just look at the midpoint of that as well for another draw on liquidity. But yeah, I hope you guys like the stream. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully my nose unblocks and I sound a little bit more normal. But yeah, feel free to like and join Discord, follow my Twitter, stuff like that, and I'll be back tomorrow, similar time. Or let me know, guys. Just text on Discord if you guys want to see at 1:30 so we can watch the CPI together. It would be 8:30 AM New York time, 1:30 PM UK time. But yeah, I'll be ending the stream now, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care.